Future of relationship is not the way it is right now, the way you think. Marriage as a concept has totally retired. Hate to say that, but I'm totally for family unit, having kids and everything. But with a heavy heart, I would say that now the concept of marriage is dead. Why it is, I'm going to tell you. Because the society of low attention span, the reels which we are in, there's so much variable which goes changing each day. And there are like mass difference in gender ratio and this kind of thing. Because of that, no people are longer or stable anymore. I remember my father works in a job. He's in that company for 30 years, more than 30 years even. Like he joined it and still he's working. And I know all my colleagues of father and even your father at some point or even grandfather used to work like in a stable place for a very long time. But nowadays if you see youth, they are changing companies like clothes. Right? Everything is like nothing stable. Like even friendship or something, we grow out of people so fast because everybody's customized nowadays. Everybody has a personality, different kind because of social media and they have access to so much information or something. Nobody requires a companion nowadays because we have these devices, internet and everything, right? People are okay with themselves with a lot of multimedia and this kind of stuff. So anything for longer period has gone and nobody wants to take that risk. Like it's very risky to be in any kind of long-term thing, either job, relationship or something like this. So what I feel like in future is going to be like West, we mostly follow West. Like West has been approval culture. Like India is on that verge now, but these things have happened in the West. And if you see on the West side, they don't have a monogamous relation, like one single monogamous relation. Basically, they have multiple serial monogamy, we call it. Like you date somebody for like 2-3 years and change somebody or something like this after. So through the lifespan, they date multiple people. As the way they grow and they heal their trauma, they graduate people. Just like how we graduate a class, they graduate a person and move on their life. If they are not going at the same level, you diverge each other. So I feel like relationship or something are bonus. When you actually be happy, take care of yourself, then you find somebody, a partner who feels on your same frequency or something. So always you should consider relationship as a bonus. If you get it, it's fine. If you don't get it, it's fine. If you get it for 2-3 years, it's very good. If you get more than that, it's bonus. And why would I say that? Sometimes I've seen a lot of people having high standard and they hold themselves from dating market for a very long time. And it's like they will like basically spend half of their lifetime, like 30 years old, 25 years old and do nothing. Right, not date or something. And that's like me. I have a really good example to explain that. Like, so I live in the hilly side of a country where sometime, like not now, like 5-10 years ago, there was very less transport or public transport or something like this. And while going to the college, I will not literally have any vehicle or something. So I have to ask for the lift, hitchhiking or something like this. So I will wait there to get hitchhiking in the evening or something to go back to my home. Sometimes I'll get somebody who will only get halfway. And what I'll say, hey, go on. I'll find somebody who actually drop me till my home or something like this. There are a lot of people. This is how we work in the hillside. We believe in hitchhiking a lot. So a lot more time I will decline a lot of people who are going half the way or some point, and eventually in the end I will regret those options. Like I should have taken that and moved forward in life and went back to my home. But this regret is so worst, right? And sometimes I will find, sometimes I will not find, and then have to walk back to the house, and it's so terrible. But that taught me like it's better to always go whatever the current opportunity you have. You can change something. Regret is the worst thing you can have. Just go whatever. So after that thing, what I will do, I will take anybody's lift or hitchhike, even if it is half the way, and then from there I will walk and reach. So journey is completed like this. Sometimes you have to walk, sometimes you have to take a train, sometimes you have to take a metro, sometimes you have to take a flight. But if you think I will only go with flight, I will just take my flight and land there, it's not going to possible. Then you have to book taxi or something like this. So this is the one analogy I want to give you. Like in a relationship, don't expect something to be very long term or something nowadays, the way our society is made. So I hope that helps. Find somebody, take it as a bonus if you go more than 2-3 years, move forward. Like if you're really lucky, you'll find somebody for life. But if it is not, it's so common nowadays. This will be, even I don't want this kind of thing, but it will become so common in future.